Hi friends, Shiva here. Welcome back to Shiva Notes. With this video, we are starting a new series, Selenium with Java. Before starting Selenium, we are going to see what is automation testing. Generally, in manual testing, we are going to verify each test case step by step manually. Suppose in my release, the developers provided 5 builds. For all the 5 builds, I need to execute smoke test, I need to execute regression test, I need to execute the major common flows. Suppose if my application is insurance domain based application, then the major common flows are whether the company may accept the policy, decline the policy, and postpone the policy. Irrespective of whatever the regression testing we are doing, the major common flows we need to execute for every build. So, as part of smoke test, it is covering 30 test cases, and the major flows are there. It's going to cover another 100 test cases. For all the 5 builds, it needs to cover 130 test cases. So these 130 test cases are the tedious process. To reduce that, we can, by using some automation tool, we can automate those test cases. Why it is required? Why the automation testing is required? It can time saving, quality, and it's a tedious process. Reducing the tedious process. Okay, so for to go for time saving, quality improvement, and to reduce the tedious process, we can go for automation testing. So what type of test cases we can automate? So repetitive test cases we can automate, complex scenarios we can automate. Suppose in my application one value is there, that value is going to display based on one formula, that is complex formula. Like suppose if I'm in my application, those type of values are around 10 to 15 values are there. The manual tester, he is going to he has to remember all the 15 formulas, whether the particular value is displaying properly or not. So to avoid that, we can automate those test cases, we can automate those complete formulas. It's going to be it's easy for the functional tester to execute that. And long flows, suppose if a particular test case is having 200 steps, it's difficult to remember the complete flow of the test case. We can automate those test cases. So these are the type of test cases we can automate. This is the use of automation testing. So in the next session, we are going to see what is the automation testing process. Okay, then we'll go for Selenium. Thanks.